Okay, let me check if I am live on both the platforms. Yes, I am live on YouTube and on Twitter. Yeah, let me just tweet and then we can start. Okay, okay. There is no good GIF for live now other than Ted Lasso. So, okay, let me start this. Yeah, let me reset the timer. Okay, we have next 60 minutes for creating a dashboard. I'm not gonna create complete dashboard. I'm just going to create a single graph or one or two graphs. So that's the aim for the stream. I guess no, not this one. Yes. Let me add stream 3 build dashboard. Let's take blockworks marinade staking, liquid staking, and we'll ask it to do something like this. Right now I'll show you. I have started indexing. It'll index everything in 20 30 minutes, and there are a lot of events. If you can see here, there are 70 million blocks and only 20 are done. So we'll be able to index 50 million blocks in 30 minutes. That's pretty quick, if you ask me. If you doubt that, you can try it yourself by going to the GitHub repo. I don't know if I linked the GitHub repo, so let me do that. Slash, okay, it's Nick Bintade, NIKBHINTADE. That's my username on Twitter and here on GitHub. Let me share the GitHub repo in the chat. Okay, now that we have this, let's go back to this part I'm just gonna take a screenshot and put it in GitHub. Sorry, put it in ChatGPT. Create React app like this. I want it to switch based on days, weeks, or months. Right now, just show dummy data. I will add GraphQL queries afterwards. Okay, I guess this is enough for experimenting. So let me stop this. Indexing has stopped, but oh, sorry. I was talking about this. Indexing has stopped here, but indexing of new data is stopped, but we actually have the indexer running. So we can go envio.dev/console. Oh, okay. I think we need this to be, yeah, this needs to be running. What happened? Okay, it shows us. Can we do playground? Then cohort we haven't done, so ignore that part. Delegated by user, have we added that part? Yesterday I guess I was talking about it. Okay, we are creating delegated by user, but we are not. Okay, let's get our create. It will create everything for user, but we are not using it, so that's not useful. Aggregated by active del. Okay, active AVAX delegated. Aggregate active AVAX delegated. Let me copy that. Remove this. Let's say query. Then aggregate. What we have? We have ID. Do we have? Oh, we have amount. Let's see. That's great. Let me say aggregate AVAX delegated snapshot daily. Okay, let's hide this. We'll say limit and I'll do 10. Now we have ID, we should have amount and date. Okay, that's good. Can we do order by? Date and descending. Prettify query. Okay. Yes. We do have dates, start of the dates, and we can get the content. Sorry, we can get the data. So that's great. Let me start with, I'll I'll make this short, the Chrome, and we can start with this part, the web application. Give me a second. Okay, let me open this. npx create, npx not create, it's create react app, and can you say web app? Hopefully I don't remember the exact commands, but okay, I'm correct in that. Now we need to install recharts, weekly, monthly. Okay, good. While it's installing, I'll I will send some things to ChatGPT. Where is this? Okay. You just need to change to daily to monthly, weekly, or monthly for snapshots in that time frame. Graph GraphQL endpoint is, what's the GraphQL endpoint? It's okay. We can copy this. You need to do different queries for each and show the x axis accordingly. Also, timestamp is Unix timestamp. So convert that to date or whatever is appropriate. Okay. Okay. I can only send one single. I don't know. This my limit is finished for ChatGPT 5 free plan. So I need to do, what I need to do is I need to copy paste everything. Okay, why didn't it copy? Okay, there is some issue. Okay, let's open our application while it's doing whatever it does, and I'll remove everything. I don't need it. App.css we don't need. We just need this class. We don't need test files. Let's delete that. Index.css I don't need it. Okay, we do need this, and I'll comment this out. The report vitals, web vitals. We don't need SVG. We don't need setup. Now, what one thing we forgot to do is we need to install reapps. Recharts, not reapps. Recharts and errors. What's up? Okay, cd web app, and it should work. Let's see. It's installing. I'll go to application. And hopefully everything is correct. Okay, let's run this. Yarn, oh no, npm run start. I guess that's the okay. Yes, it's start, not dev. I always get confused between Next and React. Now that we have it, let's see. Okay, on which port does it run? Okay, good. It's localhost, whatever this is. Okay. Give me a second. Okay. Now we can open this here. Okay, great. For quarterly, we don't need quarterly and monthly. So we can remove this. Q monthly. Okay, or do we, if we have this, like what will happen? Oh, okay. You see, it added this and it's not the. So let's remove this. Every part of this should be removed. Will it work? Okay, no. We need last part. So let's remove this. And we will say monthly. We need to remove these also. We don't need this. Okay, this is great. What week first? Oh, okay. I need one more modification for this part, which is returning the date. Sorry, the year. I know this data will be old, so don't be surprised if that's the case. Can you modify this to add year. In week, add last two digits of year, like 25 in 2020, 25. Let's see what it does. It should give us correct answer. Yes, it did, hopefully. Let me copy this, paste it here, and we'll see what happens. Okay, 4th January 2023 for how are they doing this? Okay, so I'll modify this. Week, and when we hover, value dot to locale string, date key y, data. I just want to show year when user hovers over the graph, but not in x axis. Do we have it's saying tooltip formatter, and we need to modify x axis. X axis, can you modify my code for the same? Okay, how many people are watching today? Okay, on YouTube there is one viewer, on Twitter there is one viewer, so yeah, I guess that's good enough. Okay, so it's doing what it does, ChatGPT. Also, we need to change, it's not marinade, it's BENQI. I'm just gonna say that. I don't know if pronunciation is different, but yeah, where is my BENQI liquid staking Avalanche. Okay, that's good. Oh no, it still doesn't do what we want. Anyway, I guess that's good enough. On, I need to modify the y-axis for, let's see, format x-axis, where is it used? Format this. Wait, does it do anything? Oh, it does, but you see, date and value, it's showing showing the date but not where I want. Let's see if I can copy this. Nope, I can't copy this. Okay, I feel like an idiot. So sorry, sorry about that. Okay, let me tweet about it. I want something different for this. So it's formatting it again. Custom tooltip. It's created custom tooltip, and we should be able to do this. Let's see. Also, if you are watching this, let me put Envio link here. Go check this out. We are using Envio in building indexer and everything. So you need to check this out and join the discords and telegrams. And if you need indexing service, we do have uh, hosted service, and you can also run your own indexer by yourself. But hosting service is always great because it's reliable and you don't have to maintain it. For your indexer, you might have to maintain it, right? Uh, Not you might, you have to maintain it. Here we do everything. So please go to envio.dev. Let me remove this. HTTP, whatever is I don't know what to call it. But yeah, that's the site that you should check. And okay, let me remove this. Not remove, minimize it. And okay, let's see how it created the custom tooltip. It worked. Okay, that's good. That's great. Okay, I'll try to modify it now. Custom tooltip, it says payload. What's this part? I want to, I don't know. That's why I'm asking. Return month and day. Okay, and for month, for quarter. Okay, for month will, I'll try to modify it again. And tooltip for day, show Jan, show date in Jan 2nd 2022. In week, show uh, date as Jan 2 to 9. Okay, it's 8, I guess. 8 Jan 2nd to January 8, 2022. In month, show January 2022. It's modifying it again. Let's see what other data did we have. Did we index? Okay, that is, we indexed a lot of data. We indexed the actions. We indexed what else? What else we did? We did actions, submit, then action. Oh, we have it here. Submit, redeem, delegate, undelegate, reward updated. Those are the actions that we saw. Where is app.js? Okay, let's see. It compiles perfectly. If we see, okay, cool. You see, we have everything that we want. Okay, it again went to marinate. I can't blame it. It's BenQI liquid staking, Avalanche weekly. Okay, that's cool. Built using Envio. No. Built a dashboard for BenQI Finance with Envio. I'm just tweeting this. GitHub. You can clone the indexer and run it yourself. It can index it's very quick and fast. No, it's very fast. Indexer is fast. It's indexing how many? I guess it was 60 million, no, 55 million blocks in less than 30 minutes. And we are tracking a lot of metrics. So even under heavy load, it's performing great. Heavy load, it's okay. Oh, I went over the limit, and we are not, and this is with tracking. How many metrics are there? 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7. Oh, type 28 metrics. This is while tracking 28 metrics. Less than 30 minutes. Yeah. Okay, that's good enough. So what we are doing is we wanted to, oh, where is this? ChatGPT, and what did we tell it? Nothing, I guess. Yes, nothing. We have done everything. Now we need to go to next part. We want to create this stacked indexer. Sorry, stacked bar graph. I'll just put it in ChatGPT again. Create React component for this stacked bar chart. My actions in my chart are submit, redeem, then delegate, undelegate, and reward updated. Now we need to give the query GraphQL endpoint. We do have GraphQL endpoint, right? It's localhost 8080 slash v1 slash GraphQL. Query. We'll say submit, then redeem. What's next? It's deposit. Okay, we have deposit, not delegate, and we have withdraw, and next is reward updated. Withdraw. For I need weekly, daily, weekly, monthly snapshots. Snapshots. And can we write a query for it. We are here. Let's do whatever we have with withdraw action. Then we'll say limit will say 10 and its ID, then date, and then withdraw action. Oh, we have count, right? Count for other queries. Just change monthly to daily to monthly or weekly, and we'll add this as a reference. Use this as a reference for tooltip and title. Okay, it's creating everything. Will yes, we already have this format tool. No, format x. Yeah, x-axis. It's similar. Tooltip is similar. Actions. Tooltip. I want to check timestamp range, and it says short. What is this? Format tooltip date. Format access. Okay, that's similar. We have actions, different actions. Custom tooltip. Do we have it? Yeah, we do have this. Custom tooltip. Now we just need staking. I need to copy this part. I'll add it. And next is this one. Sorry. The staking actions chart. Okay, legend is not defined. Legend is done, and we just need to use this part in our app. Okay, let's see. Do we have it? Yes, we do. And that's great. Okay. Okay, we need to modify the tooltip now. This is the part, right? We have builder query, and yeah. Modify custom tooltip for custom tooltip to show actions in a list. Like we have this, right? Submit 1 2 3, redeem. Then we have submit, redeem, deposit, withdraw, reward updated. Okay, so we have all those things, and now we just need a custom tooltip for our chart. This is good, but that's not good enough. So yeah, custom tooltip. Let me copy this. We already have this. It will throw an error, I know. Staking action, custom tooltip. Then we can go in staking. Oh, yes, staking and custom tooltip. Let's see. Okay, that worked. Okay, this is good enough. We might be modifying this. Okay, again, why marinade? Why are they saying marinate? Why it's saying marinate? BENQI liquid staking actions. That works. Also margin bottom. That's okay. Can I remove this and see what happens? Okay, no. We do need margin. Okay, this margin we don't need, I guess. 100. Okay, great. Everything is perfect. And yeah, we have, if you guys can't see this, let me show you. We have done it. We have successfully written the indexer and did the sorry written the indexer and created the dashboard. So keep that in mind. And if you want to check it, please go to GitHub link. I have put it in comment section on YouTube and Twitter, so it should be helpful. And yeah, I guess that's it for now. We could have done much more, but we only have 3-day time limit for each application, so it is what it is. We can't do anything more than that. Okay, cool. What else? What else? What else? I don't think there is anything else to do today. So let me tell you few last things. Go and check envio.dev. It's envio dot dev, dev, and you can try this. Try docs. Quick starter is very simple. So if you go to quick starter, you need pnpm installed, and you need docker installed. So yeah, those two things are there. Okay, sorry about this. Let me figure this out. You see this part, it shouldn't show up, so give me a second. Okay, it's done. Let me start the camera. Yes, you see, I'm using my mobile and it's very old. So that's why. Okay, I was saying try Envio. It's simple. You can run it with single command and go through this tutorial. It's like a, as it says, like 60 less than 60 seconds you can create an indexer for any, I mean any application, any smart contract, and even multi-chain multi-chain applications. So if your applications contracts are on multiple chains, still you can run an indexer in less than 60 seconds. So that's why I'm telling you, go try Envio. Go to docs.envio.dev and go to quick starter. Okay, that's that. Let's, next part is go to my Twitter. It's twitter.com/nickbintade. It's NIKBHINTADE. So you'll see this is me. Go give me a follow. Go to youtube.com/decrypted bytes. This is also my channel, so go subscribe. I want this number to go up at least to 1 million in next few months. So yeah. Okay, what else was there? Nothing much. I hope you enjoyed this series. Tomorrow we are going to explore a new Avalanche application and we'll learn more about it and see uh, what else is there. So yeah, have a nice day and see you guys tomorrow. Okay, cool. Bye.